Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video, I'm going to share to you about the medicines that we bought yesterday for our piglets. So since I have shared to you, or as I was told you at my last video, that our piglets are suffering from LBM due to the feeds that we change for them, that we give them for food. So um, the technician told us to buy another pack of the Prestarter. So we did it. Yeah, we bought 5 packs for this. Then if we are going to feed our piglets, we have to mix this one for the starter. Yeah, this is a pre-starter, and the second one, or the other one, is the starter. So we will give them a half of this, and we'll mix it to 1/2 kilo of the starter, so that the piglets will not I mean their body or their stomach will adapt the mixing period of the feeds or the food that they are going to intake. Then aside from that, we are also advised to buy for this dextrose powder. Yeah, this is good for chickens, ostrich, horse, goats, carabao, cows, dogs, cats, fish, rabbits, and etc. There, as you can see at that picture, there's a lot of animals that can be used for these products if in case they are suffering the same problem. So the the dosage for this that we are going to give for the piglets, one tablespoon of this powder. Then we'll mix it to the 1 glass of water. So after that, we are going to stir it and give it to the piglets who are suffering from the LBM. Okay, then aside from that, we also bought this one, enrofloxacin. This is antibacterial. Yeah, good for the piglets. This is for veterinary use only, so this is good for the animals only. Human are not allowed to intake for this. or else they will become an animal. No, I'm just kidding. So our piglets is 16 to 17 kilos. That's how our technician told me yesterday. So he instructed me to just give this antibacterial 3 ml each for the piglets. And then I bought also a vitamins for them, vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex. Yan. So for their kilos, they are all only allowed for 1 ml for the vitamins. Yeah, so I'm just going to call for our technician if I'm going to give the piglets for this, because I don't know what's the exact day to give this to them. And also my husband and I agreed that we were going to buy this what do you call this one? So this is the what's the name of this? Sirens. Yeah, these sirens, this is used for the pigs. So since our technician is he's so busy, so we are planning though that we are going to do it. I'll do it myself, I mean for the injection matter. So I will do myself to inject this. So we bought also a needle for the pigs. This is for the piglets, and for the mother. This one. This is number 17. So I'm just going to connect it here. Yeah. Well, anyway, our technician instructed me or taught me how to do it properly, but I'm not sure if I can perform it well. So yeah, that's it. So I hope I can perform it well, but I need a lot of practice so that I can do it myself. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot of things by this video. I don't know if I explained it well, but I'm sorry if I don't, because I'm not an expert doing this. I'm just sharing to you the things that I have learned since it's been long years, I guess 5, 6, it's going 7 years that I've been taking care of the pigs as our business. So the things that I have shared to you right now is just the things that I've learned from my own experiences. So yeah, I hope you guys learn about this video. So for further questions or any questions or any suggestions about this topic, you can comment on the comment section box below. I am willing and I love to hear from you guys. So you can send your feedbacks, any comments or suggestions, or any questions regarding this topic. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next one. Bye guys. God bless everyone.